MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Bensalem, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Can you use the same ducts for heating and cooling? A central HVAC system is one of the major ways homeowners may condense ducting. A central air conditioner cools in the summer and heats in the winter, all using the same ducting. This reuse also reduces installation expenses. Does central heat pull air from outside? No, central air conditioners do not bring in outside air. Instead, they remove heat and humidity from your home's air and circulate cold air throughout the house through ducts. What is your service area for the Bensalem, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Bensalem, Feasterville, Trevose, Rhawnhurst, Torresdale, Andalusia, Cornwells Heights, Eddington, Croydon, Burlington-Bristol Bridge, Bristol, Newportville, Hulmeville, Winchester Park, Krewstown, Bustleton, Somerton, Harriman Historic District, Trinseo, Altuglas, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bensalem, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 661 Bristol Pike No. 103, Bensalem, Pennsylvania 19020. Our phone number is 610-672-3051. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Bristol-Pike-Bensalem-HVAC-service.